Hey guys, it's January and look how much snow we're getting. I just thought I'm kind of behind on my 2022 highlight reel, all the fun things that happened for me last year in my gardening season, all the fun projects we did, which was many. I got really spoiled this year and I had a few flops, and I have a few recommendations on some tomatoes you should definitely buy for this year. This tomato killed it in my climate, especially since it was our hottest summer to date and one of the driest. It just thrived. So many people are struggling with their tomatoes, but they just needed this one variety because it produced so many tomatoes. It was so juicy, great for sandwiches, and we had them all summer long, and it came out the earliest. And then there were a few flops this year. Our squash were just destroyed by squash bugs. I thought we were invincible. We've never had any issue with that this year. So we didn't get any squash this year. I wasn't quite ready for that. We had to cut down one of our honey locust trees because they got bored. It was this beautiful established tree. It'd been here for about 30 to 40 years. I wasn't too sad about it because I don't have any spring flowering trees. So I'm just gonna put something there that I really love. We built a beautiful greenhouse over here. I'm just gonna highlight it real quick, and I hope you enjoy my highlight reel for 2022. I have a lot of fun plans this new year, so follow along, hit the subscribe button, definitely hit the notification bell. I'm so excited for this year. It's just such a new adventure, so many new projects happening, really scary new endeavors that my husband and I are tackling together, and I hope you guys had a great year too.